Hi everyone, so today I'm back again with a new accessories called Azure Petal Harmony Earring. This will be available in my Etsy as well if you are interested on buying for supporting me. So yeah, let's get started. Today I will be using a new materials which is the 0.3 mm copper wire, which I already cut over here. Alright, I have 2 of the stem length and some beads, some blue beads and some tiny 3 mm white beads. We will be using some earring hook and some flat end wire. This one will be the base of our earring. Now we can put this set of complete earring side and continue with our earring making. This earring is really easy to make even for beginners. To start off, take the flat end pin and also the copper wire and wrap a few times at the end of the flat end wire. You will get something like this. I'm not sure if you can see it directly or not, but yeah, I already wrapped a few times. So this end, we just need to scoop like 5 to 6 beads. If you are using the 8 mm beads as the center. We have our 5 beads. Let's push it till the end and take one of the beads. I will be using the sparkly one first. Right, put it in, and then we going to wrap it like this a few times, like 4 to 5 times, but I'll just wrap like 3 or 4 times, that's all. Alright, you will get something like this. Sorry for the lighting, it seems to be broken somehow. Alright, let's take another 5 beads. Oh, this is quite hard, it keeps bending. 1. Why it's running away? 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, we got our 5 beads. And let's take another pattern of a blue beads. Alright, you can see the pattern, it's quite beautiful actually. And slide it in. Okay, pull the white beads. And we going to wrap this on the other side of the white beads, the first white bead string just now. Right, put it there and then let's circle it. Okay. First we got something that you can just move the white beads to the other side after. Right, put one blue beads the same as the first one in, and take another 5 white beads. I'm using the 3 mm white beads, by the way, with the 8 mm blue beads. Right, okay, we got 5 in. Alright, pull it until the end, and like previously we need to wrap it around the flat pin. Okay, wrap, and wrap. Okay, so here we will be getting something like this. Okay, we just pull it and then scoop another 5 beads. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, we got another 5. Then we just need to pull it. Okay, and grab on the other side of the white. Right, grab it a little bit. Okay, let's just adjust the second bit. Okay, and we're going to scoop another 5 white beads. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5, and pull it in. And then drop it around. 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is to make sure the thread is securely being placed and the beads won't run away from whatever position they actually in right now. Alright, so let's take 5 last white beads to wrap around the last beads and also the first beads. Right, there is 5, pull to the end, and then we just need to wrap on the last beads. Put it like this, and then wrap it slowly and properly so it won't actually mess out. Right. You probably will need some pliers to secure the wire. I mean the end of the wire, which is quite sharp. I will be using a scissor for this cutting. I especially have these scissors to cut the wire because it's not that hard. Alright, so we cut something like this. We just need to, like I said earlier, secure the end of the wire, the copper wire. Right, let's just put it in. Okay. Now we got our first pattern done. We just need to make a loop at the top of the pin. I will be using the round nose plier to make the loop. Right? We just need to adjust where it needs to be adjusted. Like this. Okay, it's done. So we just need to put the hook in. See how pretty this is, and it's actually very simple. Okay, so then let's take the hook like I said earlier. Right, then we open at the end of it. I'm not sure what the name of this plier is, but I only know that it's called plier. So yeah, let's close the opening that I already made earlier. And here is the first pair of the earring, and we just need to proceed with making the second part of it. I will be repeating the same step as the first pair of it, but next part of this video will be faster. So the second earring hook is in, and our earring is done. It's actually very user-friendly. I mean, the pattern, it's easy for beginner, and it's already look very beautiful just the way it is. See, on this side, you can even make this pattern actually a little bit longer, but my fat and Y is not that long, so I only can make something like this. What do you think of this? Leave it a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!